Alright, so when installing this diffuser here, it requires you to come up here and bolt into these holes right here and right here. My SCAD pack that I had it on actually had built-in threads, so I was able just to bolt it up. With this, I'm going to have to use a riv nut tool and install some riv nuts in these holes to get it mounted to that. And then it requires you to take these plastic clips out here, right here, here and here, and that's where the bolts are going to go through, and you bolt it up to those sections right there. So alright, so here's the riv nut. It's a 5/16, just test fitting, make sure it slides in there good and will be tight. So yeah, and then you'll compress that guy right in there. So we're good to go. Alright, this is the ZL1 Addons Rear Diffuser. It's the one I had on my SCAD pack. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty awesome. Like I was telling you, when you replace those, or when you remove those plastic clips, these things line up directly to it. These are the bolts. So it's pretty awesome. Alright, I got all the clips out, so we're good there. Figured you guys didn't want to watch me get all these clips out, so on to the next thing. Alright, and now here's the riv nut gun tool and the riv nut. Like I was saying, it's a 5/16. I don't know if you can see that, but you're gonna go ahead and screw this guy right on here so that you can thread it down, and then essentially it compresses. There it is. First compressed one. So that's how it looks. I'll let you do it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one in real quick. So your next step is these guys right here. These like pillars. So these are what go on the front of that, which screw into those riv nuts that we just installed. So let's go and get that taken care of. And there's how they look installed. These little guys right here, these two, will actually be the ones that bolt underneath that plate and bolt that plate to these brackets here. Alright, so your best bet right now is to get this on with one person. As you start and just screw those in just so it holds it up, and start the one on the edge there, and then come over here and do the one on the edge over here. It all lines up to the stock holes. So, and then just kind of work your way through it all. Alright, there you have it. It is installed now. So, I just love how everything bolts up as far as the back bumper bolts up to the stock holes. And then obviously the hardware they ship with you, it's right there. Just tell them what model you have and it's good. But there it is. Hope the video was informative. I'll see you guys on the next one.